call it out as best I possibly can.
Ready?
You're not a defender.
Ready?
Don't worry, they're ready to talk. Go.
They can set up anywhere, they can start the back.
Well,
Oh yeah.
as far as the ref tower, hit. Second floor mansion, right side. Second floor mansion, right side. What are you shooting at?
We got one guy over there.
Over where?
On the other side of that.
Do you see him where?
He popped his head, he might be gone now.
Here, suppress the upper. Just suppress, put BBs into him, alright? I'm gonna go up into this pink one right here. I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything yet. Sounds like mansion second floor. I got shot through those holes. Watch out, I got shot through those holes before. Do you know where they are?
Where do you want? We want the mansion.
We want the mansion, here's the mansion.
Someone do security forward. Someone do security this way. I'm trying to get my fucking grenade out. Do you know where they are? On this side?
Guys, they just keep speaking. Number 2.
Suppress in 3, 2, 1. Suppress. Go. Alright, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Down.
Guys, come up. Is there anyone coming up behind me?
Oh, right behind the blue barrel. Yeah, he's there. Two guys behind the blue barrel.
No?
They're back. They're ricocheted.
Ah, shit.
He's still there. He's prone.
He's prone?
Yeah. You want to pull back?
No. We have to push it somehow.
Barrel's not a bunker right behind us to the left.
Okay. Yep. Got him.
Watch yourself. They're beating me.
Sorry, did someone just say they're on the other side of tower?
Yeah.
I don't see
Got an
it.
LMG guy over there.
Oh, our guy's on the other side of tower.
On the left side, on
Yeah.
our side.
Okay.
I don't know about their side.
So we just need to check fire. Okay. Well, if we kill the couple that are up front, we just have to start to push up. Let's go around this way. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna go through here.
Behind red.
That's awesome, man.
What?
Yo, second floor.
Is there anyone back here? Friendly, is there anyone back here? Can I get one or two with me? One or two with me, we're gonna hook around. Sorry, what? I want to hook around the right, push up behind the pallet, and get to that blue tarp. So I want to go pallet, barrels, blue tarp.
Okay.
All right, but I want to come from this side. Let's see if we can do this. All right, so just get a quick eye on where the, do you see where the pallets are? All right, I'm gonna bound to the barrels, go to the pallet, okay? Or do you want to go to the barrels and I'll go to the pallet?
I don't care.
One's got more cover, one's closer, but it's also closer.
Dead man. Dead man.
All right, fuck it, I'll go to the barrels. All right, 3, 2, 1, go on.
I think they're inside Illuminati. There might be a couple left.
Illuminati's back there.
Sorry.
Mansion. Oh, hit. Fuck. How many do you got left? All right. Are we respawning from there or here? Same difference.
You guys on the ground that are by the door.
Yeah, there's two floaters in the middle. Mansion, second floor. Watch out, second floor.
Friendly's on top, right?
Are they friendlies on top or not? No one's calling it out. Attackers, have we breached the second floor?
Looks like it.
Oh, shit.
There's still someone on the bottom. Yeah, next window. In that window.
Is he a friendly? Because it's facing the other way.
Facing this way.
Watch out, I'll set security up top then. I hear movement. 45 seconds.
Friendly bottom floor, friendly bottom floor. Friendly. Friendly down.
Sweep the back.
Back row. Go, clear, back row. Ready.
Go, go.
Clear. Good game, guys. Good game. That's the way to do it.
Oh.
Who's last man?
Was there one left? Did we miss one?
Woo!
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Good job.